How to get Kindle Unlimited free trial. Kindle Unlimited offers a free trial for new users to explore its extensive library of eBooks, audiobooks, and magazines. Here's a step-by-step guide to activating your free trial. Step 1. Visit the Kindle Unlimited free trial page. Open your browser and go to www.amazon.com/KindleUnlimited. Look for the Start Your Free Trial button on the page. Step 2. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, click Create Your Amazon Account and provide the required details: name, email, password. Step 3. Click Start Your Free Trial. Once logged in, click the Start Your Free Trial button. Confirm the trial duration: 30 days or any extended promotion available. Step 4. Add payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card. Amazon will not charge you during the trial period, but will bill you after it ends unless you cancel. Step 5. Start enjoying Kindle Unlimited. Browse the Kindle Unlimited library to find books, audiobooks, and magazines. Download titles directly to your Kindle device or the Kindle app on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log into your Amazon account. Go to your account memberships and subscriptions Kindle Unlimited. Click Cancel Membership to avoid charges after the trial period. By following these steps, you can enjoy Kindle Unlimited free during the trial period and decide if it's the right service for your reading needs.